In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Instagram posts using Canva in a simple, step-by-step way. And the best part is we're going to do all of this using the free version of Canva. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to design eye-catching, professional-looking posts that you can upload directly to your Instagram and start building a strong presence. So let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is open up canva.com in your browser. If you don't already have an account, it's completely free to create one. You can sign up with your Google account, Facebook, or just your email address. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Canva dashboard, and this is where you can access all of the tools. Canva isn't just for Instagram. You can create presentations, logos, business cards, TikToks, YouTube thumbnails, pretty much anything you can imagine. But for now, we're going to stick to Instagram posts. Now, once you're on the dashboard, go to the search bar at the top and type in Instagram post. Canva will immediately show you the correct size, which is 1080 pixels by 1080 pixels. That's the perfect square format for Instagram. When you click on it, you'll see hundreds of ready-made templates that you can use right away. Or, if you prefer to create something completely unique, you can start from a blank canvas. I'm going to start from a blank design first, so I can show you how it works from scratch. So, here we are on a blank white square canvas. On the left side, you'll see a panel with different options like templates, elements, uploads, text, projects, apps, and more. Let's begin by adding an image. If you already have a photo that you want to use, go ahead and click on Uploads. Then click on Upload Files and select the image from your computer. Once it's uploaded, you can just drag it onto your canvas. You can resize it, move it around, or even right-click and set it as the background. Let's say I want to design a motivational style post. I'll upload a photo of a mountain, stretch it to fit the background, and now I have the base. But a plain photo isn't enough. Let's make it more interesting by adding text. Click on the text option in the left menu. Canva gives you lots of font combinations. Or you can just add a heading and type in your own words. For example, I'll type "Push Your Limits" in bold white text. I'll move it to the center, increase the size, and change the font to something bold and strong like Anton or Bebas Neue. Now we have a powerful-looking Instagram post already. But we're not stopping here. Let's enhance it with some design elements. Click on Elements and you'll find shapes, lines, stickers, and graphics. I'll search for Gradient Overlay and drag a semi-transparent gradient rectangle over the top part of the image so the text pops out more clearly. I'll adjust the transparency so the background still shows through. That makes the whole post look more polished. Now, let's create a second type of post to show you another style. This time, I'll go back to the home page and again search Instagram post. But instead of blank, I'll choose a pre-made template. Canva has thousands of these and many are free. For example, I see a business promotion template with a clean design. I'll click on it, and now I can customize everything. The text box says, New Collection Launch. I'll change it to Summer Sale, 50% off. Then, I'll upload my own product photo, drag it into the placeholder frame, and it snaps into place perfectly. Within seconds, I have a professional-looking promotional post ready to share on Instagram. One of the best parts about Canva is that you can change colors to match your brand. If your brand colors are blue and white, you can click on any shape or background and simply change the color to your brand's palette. If you want even more options, Canva automatically suggests colors from the photo you uploaded, so everything looks consistent and professional. Now, let's add some fun elements. Suppose you're making a personal post instead of a business one. I'll go back to Elements and search for Sketch Graphics. Here I can add stars, doodles, arrows, or even animated stickers if I want to use this as a video post. For now, I'll choose a simple white doodle arrow pointing to my text to give it some style. Another thing you can do is use frames. Frames let you insert your images into creative shapes like circles, letters, or even abstract shapes. For example, if I add a circular frame and drop my picture inside, now I have a clean, cropped profile picture on my design. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to download it. Go to the top right, click on Share, then click on Download. For Instagram, PNG is usually the best choice because it gives high-quality images. You can also download as JPG if you want a smaller file size. If you want to schedule your post directly to Instagram, Canva actually allows that as well, but you'll need to connect your Instagram account. So, to recap, you can create Instagram posts in Canva by starting with a blank canvas or using templates, uploading your own photos or using Canva's free library, adding text with fonts that match your style, using elements like shapes and frames to enhance the design, customizing colors to fit your brand, and finally, downloading or even scheduling the post directly to Instagram. That's how easy it is to create Instagram posts with Canva. Whether you're making a personal post, promoting your business, or building a brand identity, Canva gives you all the tools you need. And you don't need to be a professional designer to make something that looks amazing.